Hey guys, this is Vignesh from FoneArena, and in today's video, we have a brand new smartphone which is the successor of the S41 smartphone from itel in our studio for unboxing. Built as itel S42, this smartphone comes with a full screen 18:9 aspect ratio display and a selfie camera with a dual LED flash. We have the box here as you can see. The box is pretty much bigger with the red theme all over. The front side of the box has the image of the device along with its special features mentioned. With this device, users also get a 100 days replacement guarantee as well. Turning back, we have the quick specifications of the device. They have also mentioned the inclusion of the free protection case as well. Today with us, we have the rose gold variant of the itel S42 smartphone for unboxing with 3GB of RAM and a 16GB of onboard storage. Let's unbox the device now and have a closer look at it. Removing the top lid, we have the phone itself on the top covered with a plastic cover. Keeping it aside, we have a couple of boxes beneath the layer. One box has headphones, micro USB cable and a wall adapter, while the other box has a back case and a paper documents. So these are the inbox content of the itel S42 smartphone. The itel S42 has a brushed metal finish on the back with a plastic top and bottom. The device is sleek, weightless and fits perfectly in our hands. At this price point, we find no problem in the build quality as it feels solid in hand, offers a good grip and goes easy on the wrist too. Moving on to the button placement, we have a 5.65-inch Full HD Plus 18:9 aspect ratio 2.5D curved glass display. The display is quite bright with a good color reproduction, text looks sharp and the viewing angles are good too. The screen visibility under the sunlight is decent enough to operate as well. In fact, the multimedia experience in this device is surprisingly immersive with a combination of good audio and visuals. On the front top, we have the dual LED flash, earpiece, usual set of sensors, and a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. Moving left, we have a dedicated SIM slot, and on the right, we have the volume rockers along with the power button. On the bottom, we have a micro USB port for charging, noise cancellation microphones, and the speaker grills. Up top, we have a 3.5mm audio jack. Flipping it backside, we have a 13-megapixel camera with LED flash and a fingerprint sensor right below it. The process of enrolling our fingerprint is simple and the fingerprint scanner is quick to unlock the phone as well. It's worth mentioning here that the placement of the fingerprint scanner is comfortable and more ergonomic as well. Talking about the specifications, the itel S42 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 chipset along with the 3GB of RAM and a 16GB of onboard storage under the hood. Out of 3GB of RAM, we got around 1.3GB free on the first boot, and out of 16GB of onboard storage, we got around 8GB. In case if it's not enough, you can expand up to 128GB through microSD card as well. In our experience, we didn't find any issues as the device was butter smooth throughout the usage. With the help of 3GB of RAM, multitasking got a lot better as well. Moving on to the optics, the itel S42 comes with a 13-megapixel camera with LED flash on both rear and front. With this mobile, the low light selfie is not a problem at all. During the daylight conditions, the picture came out very well with natural colors and fine details. The autofocus is fast to lock the subject as well. The itel S42 makes sure your data is encrypted and more secure round the clock. It is one of the few smartphones under the budget segment that has a face unlock feature along with the fingerprint scanner. The face unlock is quick to unlock the phone. The itel S42 runs on the latest Android 8.2 Oreo out of the box and it offers almost all the Oreo experience. The itel S42 is powered by 3000 mAh battery under the hood. Overall, the itel S42 is a serious contender at this mid-range price point. Some features like 18:9 aspect ratio display, face unlock and a reliable Snapdragon processor make it one of the few bang for the buck smartphones in the market.